Hello, everyone. The video shows how to integrate YiLuProxy with ClonBrowser. Firstly, configure YiLuProxy settings as shown video. Local port, right-click an IP and click Connect or directly double-click an IP. You can see a local proxy port and format on the top left. The green point means the proxy IP connects successfully. Multi-port forward, right-click an IP and select a proxy port. For dynamic IP, select residential or data center IP. Select a country, state, and city. You can choose to change an IP per request once. Select the format of copying IP information and the number of refreshing IPs. Then click Refresh. Right-click an IP and select a proxy port. You can check multi-port forwarding information on the port forward list. Then run ClonBrowser software. Create a new browser profile. Enter a profile name. Select a region. Click Setup. Choose SOCKS proxy type. Host IP 127.0.0.1.
Port 1080.
Then check the proxy network. The IP is that one forward to local port 1080 in YiLuProxy. Change the port to 5500. The IP is that one forward to port 5500. Change the port to 5501. The IP is that one forward to port 5501.
For YiLuProxy dynamic IPs, you can copy IP information to integrate.
Right-click an IP and copy. Paste IP, port, username, and password. Then check proxy again.
In this way, you can use dynamic IPs without running YiLuProxy client.
YiLuProxy dynamic IPs also support HTTP protocol. Check the network again. Then click Create Profile. Click Start to run the virtual browser. Here you can see the proxy IP address. Okay, the video is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.